Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the solved problem based on the Karnaugh map method, K-map method. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the problem. Reduce the following function using K-map technique, Karnaugh map technique. The given function is f of a, b, c, d equal to sum of minterm 0, 1, 4, 8, 9, 10. So in this Boolean expression is not given, the minterms are given directly. In this there are 4 variables a, b, c, d. The available minterms are 0, 1, 4, 8, 9 and 10. So by using this we have to plot the K-map and we need to go for a simplification of K-map, right. So there are 4 variables available a, b, c, d, right. So we need to use the 4 variable K-map. The a, b available in the vertical manner, the c, d available in the horizontal manner. So the a, b having 2 variables, so there are 4 possibilities are available, a bar, b bar, a bar, b, a b, a b bar, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly c, d having 2 variables, so the 4 possibilities are available, c bar, d bar, c bar, d, c, d, c, d bar, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the first cell is nothing but we have to combine this a bar, b bar and c bar, d bar. The second cell is a bar, b bar, then c bar, d. Like that we can combine the cells. But in this problem the minterms are given. So the minterms are represented by the red color line, red color number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these cells are corresponding to these minterms. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. See, this third and fourth column is interchanged. 0, 1, thereafter we go to 2, fourth column, then third column. Similarly here this third row and fourth row is interchanged. So these minterms are indicated by the red color numbers. So by using this minterm we can directly mark the K-map. So the 0 is given, is also one of the minterms. So this 0 is marked as 1. This 1 is marked as 1. This 4, then 4, 8, 9 and 10, right. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are given as a minterm that are marked as 1, right. The remaining values are marked as zeros, right. Now we can go for the combining the cell, right. So in this simplification first we will see either any 8 cells are available, 8 ones are available, then 4 ones, 2 ones and then single one. So there is no possibility of any 8 ones are not available. Then we will go for any 4 grouping of 4 cells available. You see these 2 ones and these 2 ones are, we can group it, that is the bottom and top, bottommost cell and topmost cell, so that we can group these twos and these twos indicated by the green color line, right. These two are grouped and these two, so that 4 cells are grouped together. Then so this cell is, this one is available individually alone, so we need to check whether we can group with this one with any other one. So this one can be grouped with this one, right, leftmost and rightmost corner of the cell, these two are grouped together. Then this one is available, so this one can be grouped with this one, these two can be grouped together. Now all ones are covered, right. The first we grouped these 4 cells, top and bottom, these 2 top and these 2 bottom cells, there is a 4 1 grouping. Then these 2 ones are grouped together, right and leftmost corner, and this one is available individually, so that is grouped with this, right. Is in a horizontal manner we grouped one more grouping. So there are 3 groupings available, this green color grouping 1, red color grouping 2, blue color third grouping. Now we'll see the simplification, right. So these 2 ones and these 2 ones are grouped together. Now we need to verify what is the term available, this here, this first row and last row, similarly first column and second column, right. While referring this in this first column and first row and second row, first row and last row, what is available here, a bar, b bar, here a, b bar. So this A and A bar got cancelled, right? So these two ones available in first row, these two ones available in last row. So we have to verify these two terms, A bar, B bar, A, B bar. So this A and A bar got cancelled, only we have B bar, right? Then these two, while verifying these two terms, what we have, C bar, D bar, C bar, D. So that this D bar and D got cancelled, only we have C bar, right? So finally what we have, A bar, this what we have, B bar and C bar. So this is the term, B bar and C bar, right? So while combining these two, A bar cancel, only we have B bar. While combining these two, D bar got cancelled, only C bar available. So B bar, C bar, right? Now we'll verify these two terms, this grouping. So these two are grouped, we will verify these two terms, A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So this B bar and B is got cancelled, only we have A bar. Then while verifying this, we have C bar, D bar. So what we have, A bar, C bar, D bar. This is the term. This is the resultant for simplifying these two terms, right? So while grouping these two terms, we have to verify these two terms horizontally and this one term vertically. While verifying these two terms horizontally, this B bar got cancelled, only we have A bar, then C bar, D bar, right? Now these two cells, we have to verify the combination of these two cells. So these two cells, we have to verify this term, A, B bar, there is no cancellation. So A, B bar. We have to verify these two terms, this first column and last column. First column, C bar, D bar. Here C, D bar. What will happen? This C and C bar got cancelled, only we have D bar, that is A, B bar, D bar. That is this one, A, B bar, D bar. This is the third term, right? So after simplification, we got this value, that is A bar, C bar, D plus A, B bar, D bar plus B bar, C bar. This is the final value, right? So in this problem, we discuss about the simplification of the Karnaugh map. The min terms are given, the Boolean function is not given, the min term is given, there is 0, 1, 4, 8, 9, 10. These 6 min terms are given. Based on the 6 min terms, that's marked in the 4 variable K map, right? So these min terms are represented by the red color numbers. So that are marked as 1. The remaining terms are marked as 0. Then all these ones are grouped together. So while grouping, we got 3 groups. These 4 variables are grouped, these 2 variables and these 2 variables are grouped together. While simplifying, we got this 3 variable as here 3 terms. The final value as 3 terms, right? So in this problem, we discuss the simplification of K map using the min terms. Subscribe this channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.